What's happening, hustlers? So we're just heading down south today. Going to try and install a lathe. So the father-in-law just purchased one from Aaron Forbes. So I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll get it installed. And it's going to be a bit agricultural how we do it, but you got to do what you got to do when you're outside the workshop. All right, fellas, enjoy. All right, so we've just pulled over to stretch our legs, and God, these flies are bad. I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you our setup. So what we've got over here, we've got the pallet jack. We're going to use this to lift it out. Hopefully it works. Got a couple of bits of flat bar, which we're going to try and get the length. And then this is the stands we're going to install. And then this is the lathe. Come over, look at the lathe. All right, let's get down there. All right, Grumps, you ready?
Yep.
So what do we got here?
This is a AL320G hobby lathe that I've just bought from Aaron Forbes.
Yep.
We're going to set it up in my little shed so that I can do some pottering and hopefully get some enjoyment out of it. But for now, it's getting its stand and stuff still in bits, so we better get cracking.
Awesome.
Okay.
What kind of stuff are you going to make on it?
First up, I'll make some number plate holders for the old vintage bike I've done up. That'll be the first thing because I want to make some that are actually the same as the originals. That'll be a good little test. I haven't actually used the lathe for about 40 plus years, so just see how we go. It used to be second nature, lathe work, when I was an apprentice, but yeah, the old instrument making trade's gone by the way now, and a lot of skills have been lost. I have to see if I can regenerate some.
Yep, awesome. All right, show us where it's going to go.
Okay, so a very small shed.
The man cave.
It's only a 6x4 shed. Everything's been moved out the way because this will be the only thing that's bolted down. I'm proposing that we'll put it just in here, next to the power point.
Yep.
We're going to move this back over that way a bit if necessary to give room to access the gears. But yeah, I think it'll work out all right.
All right.
I really don't want to put a lot of lathes, metal swarth and stuff around here because of the bikes and a few other things. So we'll put some sort of backing on this shelf so that stuff can't fly through. The workbench here should be good. Should be good, can't wait.
Awesome. Well, let's get it done.
Okay.
All right, time for the minions to get into it. Fast forward.
Oh, poor old Buff's exhausted already.
XD.
Well, that's a matter of opinion.
I might have to lose a couple of kegs to get out. All right.
Blimey. I'll have to make some room. I'll have to slide this down now, which will give me a little nice little storage area, but as long as we can get in here, that's what counts. Excellent. Thanks guys, that's fantastic.
Alright, that was a successful install. You happy with that, mate?
Yeah, very happy with it. It's bigger than I thought it was. It will require another little bit of a change at the shed, but I'm wrapped, absolutely wrapped, and can't wait to give it a go, see how it runs.
You know what it's time for now?
Yeah, a beer, a well-earned beer too.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Till next time, guys.
Yep.
So I'm going to unrecord?
Just keep going.
Dad, can I start recording now?
Stop. Well, this is the bit you're supposed to record.
Oh.
You gotta be higher, remember?
Aren't you going to talk?
Huh?
Aren't you supposed to be talking?
No, but you're not.